we are. I managed to clear up my garden, do all my things. I did my cleaning. Oh yeah, take that one please for me.
Okay, Mama.
I got another sword to take this one as well.
Mama, be
Yeah,
careful.
at
Those
least
are
I
very
managed.
sharp.
I know. At least I managed to clean up all the things under the fig tree. But tomorrow I will continue. It's so much grass you can imagine. It's not easy to clean up this one because look at that, guys. And I've got my pine tree that I need to cut soon. So growing all this. Yeah, I try to the vine.
Pine tree?
Yeah, I cut some of it.
Mama, we can make that out of a Christmas tree.
Yeah, I
Mama,
really
be
did.
careful. Mama. Now, see, this side,
Yeah.
Mama.
Rolling over that side.
Mama, to come out this side, Mama.
Yeah,
Come
I
out
will do. Just over here, darling. I can do. Can you get the vine, Nak? That vine, the long vine. Carry that one as well for me. Because I need to try to plant that one to seeding it. So some of my trees. I don't know. I forgot the name of that. I think I got a what tree that I got plant before. I think one of them is almond. I don't know which one of these. Manage. Hopefully. Yes, I will do not. Still have a long grass they need to cut. Open the side. This one is a bit. I will cut tomorrow. Guys, thank you for watching. Bye bye.